Alright, just arrived from Nike.com, the Nike Magista Obra. So this is the unboxing. I just got these literally like 5 minutes ago. So I'm going to see for the first time. And I'm really excited. I would have usually pre-ordered these, but I wanted to see what the reviews were before I gave these a shot. Retailing at $275. They're a little bit pricey, but you know, sometimes they're worth it. Here we go. Put this down. These are basically everything I expected. The 360 conical studs. The new sole plate. And let's see what else is in the box. Looks like it comes with a shoe bag, similar to the Nike Hypervenoms, but without the design and graphics, just a simple Volt color shoe bag. I can't wait to get these on and give them a shot. Thanks for watching.